Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
A conversation about passing a test for a job between a manager and an applicant. Director, hello, welcome to the interview for the position of IT engineer in our company. Firstly, I would like to thank you for accepting our invitation to interview. Are you ready to get started?
Of course, thank you for this opportunity. Yes, I'm ready to get started.
Director, great. I'll start with some basic questions to understand your background and qualifications. You can start by listing your past experience and skills that you think will help you in this job.
Of course. I have your background as an IT engineer and have 5 years of experience in this field. Among the skills I possess are rapid development, love for my work, and I am committed to developing myself and learning new skills.
Director, excellent. It sounds like you have a background that fits this job. Now, let's talk about the test you'll be taking. The test will be a challenge to measure your skills and knowledge in this field. Do you have any questions about upcoming testing or operations?
Yes, thank you. Can you tell me more about the structure of the test and what I can expect?
Director, sure. The test will include theoretical and practical questions related to the skills and knowledge required for this job. There will also be an assessment practical task that you must complete in a set time. Don't worry, precise details about the test will be provided before the application portion begins.
Understand. Are there any resources I should study or any preparation I should do before the test?
Director, yes, we will provide you with preparation materials before the test to help you prepare. You can also use the opportunity to ask any questions regarding the preparation materials or the test itself.
Excellent, thanks for the clarification. I am excited about this challenge and ready to do my best.
Director, I am grateful to see such interest and willingness. We will send more information about testing and specific dates later. Thank you for coming today and good luck on your exam.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.